Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to rotate a video in Filmora. First you need to import the video by clicking this plus icon to the timeline, and after that you will see that there is a video option on the right side of the screen, and here you can see that there is a rotate function, and if you want to make it 280 centigrade angle, so you just type it and click on that, and you will see that the video is rotated. And if you want to rotate it back to the default, then 360, and you will see that the video is back to the default mode. And you can also rotate the video by clicking this wheel type button. Here is, you can see that your video is moving. You can play it and rotate according to your requirement, or you can make it 0 and back to the normal default mode. And you can also flip the video, and this is what you can see, that you can just play it, you will see the results as per your need. Moreover, you can also rotate the video by dragging this ball. You can drag through the mouse and rotate as per the requirement. So in this way you can easily rotate the video in Filmora. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.